Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool HE washer and electric dryer set, and right now I've got it filling up. Just gonna do a little test load on it so you all can see that everything's working perfect. Right now it's sensing, adding water to see how heavy the load is, and it goes through this adding, spinning, sensing deal about 2-3 times as it adds water. Now if we had a real heavy load, it would feel the weight of that and add water appropriately. I just threw a few towels in there so that we can see the process here. So I'm going to show you that obviously it fills up with water. It's got a nice wash cycle. Then it drains the water out like it's supposed to and has a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle. Then we'll move these towels over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works and it's heating like it's supposed to. That way you know when you spend your money, take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work great. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell my items. So we'll let it finish sensing here and come back when it's on the wash portion. Alright, so we've switched over to the wash cycle. That bottom agitation plate is moving those towels around great. So there's plenty of water down in there, getting them nice and clean. That's the wash cycle. Alright, we moved out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's already drained all the water, and now it's adding that fresh water in there. We'll come back for that final spin. Alright, and we are into the final spin cycle. See it spinning nice and fast. Now typically you would not be able to open this lid. I've taken the lock off, 2 screws, and pop it in there just so I can lift it up and show you that it's spinning nice and fast and smooth. But at home you're not going to be able to. It's going to be locked for safety. But there you have it. Now you know everything works great. Nice, smooth spin cycle. So we'll let it finish up and we'll move over to the dryer. Alright, now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer, and while it's running time dry, high heat, you've got a few options here for lower heat if you have some delicates you're going to do. But I'll show you right in between these 2 red dots. You're going to get a surface temperature measurement. Depends on whatever you're shining it at. You get a different measurement there in Fahrenheit. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Shine it right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube. Let me snap a picture for the ad. But essentially the heat comes out of that tube, heats the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195 degrees. And that just depends on what you have these heat settings at. So you could go low for delicates, or I just kind of leave it on high, and you could also just do automatic dry there too if you wanted. Sounds great, nice smooth operation. And that's really all there is to it. I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.